Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and we are going to have so much fun in this video. I'm going to take you into the thrift stores here in California. I went to a local Goodwill and I bought things to resell on eBay and Poshmark. I'm going to show you the things that I bought, so I will definitely do a thrift haul for you, and I'm going to show you things that I passed on and tell you why. There are a lot of great brands in this video that I want you to know, things that I know resell well online, and some styles. I got a lot of lag and look pieces. You know I love to sell lag and look, layering bohemian pieces, and I find a lot of it here in Northern California. So stay tuned, let's see how I did, and come thrifting with me, guys. One of the reasons I love this particular Goodwill is that it is huge. It is such a big store with so much clothing. I went to jackets first. You know I love my Chicos for selling on eBay, but not for $10. Jackets were $10, so I was quite selective about which jackets I picked up today. You'll see what I chose in the thrift haul. I definitely was not passing on a Lilly Pulitzer. My happy dance at being thrifting again. Oh yeah. Blazers, coats, jackets, $10. Look at this 80s, 90s vintage jacket. So much fun. I don't sell a lot of vintage personally, but that was a good piece. And this vest caught my eye. I don't know if it's supposed to look like ostrich feather or what, but that is fun. And I liked this denim jacket because it's animal print, and that's really hot for 2020 and 2021, but the brand wasn't good enough for $10. And this one is Moth for Anthropology, which is a great brand. It does sell well for me. This was a good size too, and I like the style, but the condition wasn't good enough. I do have an amazing lint remover, pill remover, linked in my description section. This is a flannel, men's flannel, which do sell well for me in the fall, but this one was just Target brand. And this jacket I loved, but it was only Forever 21, so I passed. But these utility military green jackets do great. And I love the cut and fit on this jacket. It was almost like a moto jacket, but plaid. Lilly Pulitzer, which I rarely find here. I know my reselling friends in the South, at the Goodwill outlet bins, they'll find Lilly Pulitzer at thrift stores. I'm in California. I never find Lilly Pulitzer. I mean, never. I've probably found it like 5 times in my whole 9-year career of selling on eBay. Check this out, it's so good. It's a size medium. It is a quilted women's jacket, and it has embroidered palm trees all over it. Lilly Pulitzer is known for its fun, bright pink and bright colored tropical prints. It has a corduroy collar, and then even on the cuff, it has that plaid contrast. Just such a nice jacket. I'm gonna aim high on that one because I paid $10 for it. If you're new to my channel, friends, make sure to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button and the little bell. Hit that little bell so that you're notified when a new video comes out, so you can catch my come thrift with me videos. I have a whole unboxing playlist on the channel if you like Thredup unboxings or mystery boxes. I do a lot of wholesale stuff too, and we'd love to have you. We have a great community of friends on the channel, so make sure you're subscribed. This is Polo Ralph Lauren, and it's an XL, which made me want to buy it. And it is a long gray cardigan, button front cardigan, and it's got pockets. It's just super soft and nice. And another trend I'm seeing in fall 2020 is longer cardigans. So yes, I'm seeing lightweight cropped cardigans, but I'm also seeing long, kind of like what we might call a grandpa sweater, longer cardigans like this, longer length and pockets. So that's right on point, but that's also classic. I mean, a gray soft cardigan. Okay, now we're going through the pants section. Look at all these pants. These you'll see in my haul later, a new brand to me, but the tag looked interesting, so I was willing to pull them out, and they're pretty good. I would have bought Paige jeans, but not for $10. Paige is a pretty good brand. I want to show you a few skirts that caught my eye, like this sweet printed one. I thought I could use the cottage core keyword with that romantic feminine print. You can see I'm filling up my cart with lots of pants. There was a lot of good stuff at this store. This brand is one I want you to know, Indigenous. They use organic cotton. It sells so well. These had stains. I was so bummed and just too much wear. But that brand is usually a great flipper for me. Check out this heavily beaded Zara skirt. Oh my god, it was incredible. It was new with tags, but see, it had all these missing beads. Look at the colors and the detailed bead work. It was very heavy. I did not have time to hit the jeans section, and again, jeans were $10, so I was going for pants because they were $6. Do you guys check out the linen section? I always do. Okay, these pants are by a brand we probably all know and love, but if you don't know, you should. It's Soft Surroundings. Soft Surroundings is a catalog brand, and it's pretty expensive. These are a really great pair of skinny leggings with this kind of metallic, swirly paint look. Those will probably sell pretty well. They're high-waisted, black, skinny. I'm imagining between $20 and $30. This is a brand to know. Memorize this tag. The brand is Oscar. Do you guys ever even find this? This is a lag-and look brand. So they make a lot of asymmetrical length tunics, and these are just a pair of leggings, but this brand, check the comps on eBay, you guys. These are gonna sell for a lot just for these high-waisted skinny pants. I will put lag and look boho in my title, and I hope to get probably 40 or 50 for those, even though they're just these simple linen pants. This is probably one of my favorite finds because it's so perfect for fall 2020. These are American Eagle jeans. American Eagle is selling really well, between like $20 and $30 on Poshmark or eBay. These are high-rise leopard print skinny jeans. Isn't that perfect? Leopard print is so hot in 2020. Next level stretch. And these are a size 8 long. Oh, I love having long and tall in my store. I love having petite. I like having unique sizes that people might go online shopping for because it might be harder to find for them secondhand out thrifting themselves. So I did really well in the pants section. I could not focus on the whole store, so I focused on pants because at this Goodwill, all the pants were together, so they didn't have a separate athletic wear section like some of my thrift. Let me know in the comments, does your thrift store separate shorts, pants, and do they separate athletic yoga stuffs from the rest of the pants? Because this Goodwill did not. This is a new to me brand that I'm so excited about. I looked it up because it just sounded interesting. It's called Good Human, but human is spelled H-Y-O-U-M-A-N. These are really expensive yoga leggings. They're kind of a two-tone. They're a size small, so usually larger sizes do better. But these just felt like quality, super soft and stretchy, so I was willing to pull out my phone and look them up, and comps look really good. This is a bread and butter brand, Athleta leggings, full length skinny high-rise leggings. Those sell for me between like 18 and 25. This is another kind of bread and butter, Prana. I've sold this exact pair of pants so many times in my reselling career. They're skinny, but they have all this moto detail, so I put moto in my title. Here's the Prana logo. You'll want to know that because sometimes logos are cut out, especially on athletic wear. This stuff is so expensive at outdoor stores like REI. I mean, Prana is just expensive. Another new to me brand that I was excited to find. These, again, I just looked them up because they looked interesting. They're almost like a pajama pant, but they were so soft, and they had this nice waistband, and the tag inside looked interesting. So these are called Charmers, and they're like an athleisure brand, and they're expensive. So I will report back on how those do, but comps looked really good. I love shopping for fall. I'm excited to have a change of season and to be looking for fall trends, colors and styles that I'm seeing a lot of for fall. This is a brand to know, Babaton. It's sold at Revolve. These are a pair of extra small olive green jogger pants. If it has that elastic ankle at the bottom, the keyword is jogger for that. The few things I've found from Babaton have sold really well. Okay, now onto the sweater section. This was Sanctuary, a good brand. I liked the style on this, but I ultimately passed on it. And now you're gonna see me pull out so many bohemian embroidered tops. Not perfect for the season, but I can't help it. I'm a California girl. Look at this cute dress. That was just a boutique brand, and dresses were $10. Oh, this had no brand in it, but wasn't that fun? But Quenby, focus on fall and winter. This is an eyelash ivory cardigan. I passed on that. I think it might have been Zara. I loved this, but it was just 89th and Madison. Had a little bit of pilling, but great boxy fit with a hood, and then the drawstring was ribbon. I had to be really selective, friends, because at $6, that's a high cost of goods. Everyone's loving that mustard color right now, that peasant top. And I'm always picking up the crochet lace sweaters. This is Elodie, not necessarily a brand that I go out looking for, but check this out. A leopard scoop neck sweater, super soft, and size XL. Size XL sells so well for me. I'm willing to pay up for that size. And this is a brand I've just been loving lately, Style & Co. Again, it was XL. I knew this would also be good for right now because ivory and cream we're seeing a lot of. We're still seeing a lot of crochet, patchwork, and this is a nice round neck sweater. Oh, and it's also new with tags. So that's great. This is amazing. Also new with tags, size 3X, Nick and Zoe. Pretty good brand. And look at the fall goodness colors on this. Look at the rust and the brown and the stripes. It's a long cardigan, size 3X. If you guys fall in love with stuff from my haul, my closet and store are linked down below. And you can also message me. I'll give you a great deal as my reselling community and friends of thrifters. Look at the cute buttons on this. So that'll sell really well. And I always check out the art section, the hard goods, pottery. This store has really great pieces. And I found something for my collection of pressed flowers. These are signed prints, and there were 2 of them framed so nicely. I have a collection of those pressed flowers in my bathroom. That was a signed watercolor of California horses. I should have got it. And this wooden cow I thought was going to look so good in my garden, but I did ultimately pass on it. $5. I love vintage farmhouse decor, artisan pottery, so I'm always keeping my eye out for that. I did not need this coconut art, but that was funny. a really great saying on these. I have done my best. That is all the philosophy of living we need. I went back and forth with these Mexican plates for decoration. You can hang them. I ultimately passed on them. I just have so much, but I did not pass on this big Mexican pottery jug. That one home Friends, with me. thank you so much for thrifting with me. I love taking you into the stores and sharing with you what I bought. Make sure you're subscribed and that you like the video on the way out. And I will see you, friends, in my next video, or maybe Friday for live at 5 Pacific time here on the channel. Bye, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe. And turn notifications on.